the camera was filming and it stopped. So I'm putting together the cabinet where the wardrobe is gonna go. So, oh, we gotta put the E20 on the back. I forgot about that. I left the number so I will know which one it is. So they want to cover your clothes. We won't have roaches, moth, whatever doesn't come into your clothes. I can invent quite a story for these houses. I like the fact that there are conversational pieces. So I'm gonna let it dry. I'm not gonna cut it yet. I'm gonna let it dry. So we're gonna do the bedside cabinet, which are small pieces. We need C17, C18, and C19. I already went ahead and did some of this. E83. That's the first one. So I gotta cut, I forgot to cut the corners. I need to cut the corners. It seems like I forget to hit play again for this. So now I'm gonna put the C14 and C16 also goes in the bookshelf. So that's why probably I have all the pieces in there. So let's leave it like that. It will dry out. And then we're gonna make the dresser. So we did the table dress, I guess. It's a dresser. So we're gonna put the props in there, which are these ones in here. We're gonna put these all together. And then we're gonna make a makeup chair. Okay? So let's get started. I already prepared the props, so we just have to put them back together. Okay? You're gonna see me preparing the props if I have to first on the next house. Because it's bigger, I'm assuming that there's gonna be a lot of props. So since they take so much time, I'd rather do them first. You're gonna see me, but I'm just gonna fast forward it. So that's it for that. Now we're gonna make the chair for the dresser. This. So let's get started with this. We're gonna get this and we're gonna put it on the C40. Let's see what we got over here. Yep, here it is. Here are the pieces. You see, they're getting empty. Hello again. I'm sorry, I always pressing the wrong button. put these pieces together, which is this part over here on the top of the top of the washing machine. So okay, I'm gonna let it dry, and when we come back, we're gonna have it finish it up already, and we're gonna start with the room. Okay, see you then. Have a wonderful day. Happy Labor Day. Love and peace to all.